In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Skate 3 online on PlayStation 3 or Xbox Series S. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Skate 3 is actually still able to be played online on either PlayStation 3 or Xbox consoles. You will be able to connect to these servers natively and see if they work on your specific region. So the servers aren't the best nowadays, however, you are still able to connect and play online. You can play alone or with friends. Keep in mind that if you are doing this on Xbox, you will need Xbox Live, and of course, you will need a PlayStation Network subscription if you are doing this on PlayStation. So make sure that you have a subscription going for the online services on either of these platforms. And when you have Xbox Live or PlayStation Network active, all that you have to do is open the game, pause at any point, and usually you can access online by going over to these options here. So you will have stuff like the online challenge maps, which is primarily where people play, or you can set up online team, go into your online profile, and so on. But to actually access online, play alone or with friends, just go over to online challenge map. In here, you will be able to browse through various menus. So you will have the team, you will have career, free skate, which again is going to be one of the most popular modes, and then you will have versus. You can choose whichever option you prefer. If you go into free skate, you will see the options, so you can join a team lobby, you can solo free skate, and you can go to these specific locations. You will get into a session with your online team at your current location if you choose the secondary option here, or you can just choose this one to go in with an online team. When you get inside, you can access your friends list, and from here, you will be able to send out invites, both on Xbox and PlayStation. So all that you have to do to play online is to set up an online lobby with your preferences and invite your friends. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Skate 3 online, PlayStation 3 and Xbox Series S. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.